Where is home? Where do you belong? For some of us, belonging means belonging to a place.
These are the nights I won't get over. These are the songs I won't forget. These are the places we grew up, and these are the people that I love. These are the days. We'll talk about when we say those were the days I won't get over. These are the songs I won't forget. These are the places we grew up, and these are the people that I love. These are the days. We'll talk about when we say those were the days. Yeah. We'll talk about when we say those were the days. These are the streets I'll walk forever, even if only in my mind. These are the hands I hold so close. So if I may make one last toast, here's to the days. We'll talk about when we say those were the days I won't get over. These are the songs I won't forget. These are the places we grew up, and these are the people that I love. These are the days. We'll talk about when we say those were the days. Yeah. We'll talk about when we say those were the days. We'll talk about when we say those were the days that live on even after we're gone, and the places we go won't replace where we're from. So find someone you love and tell them these are the days. We'll talk about when we say those were the days. We'll talk about when we say those were the days I won't get over. These are the songs I won't forget. These are the places we grew up, and these are the people that I love. These are the days. We'll talk about when we say those were the days. Those were the days. We'll talk about when we say those were the days. We'll talk about when we say those were the days.